Eyeing that used Toyota 4Runner? Here's what you need to know. So, you're considering a used Toyota 4Runner. Smart move or risky business? Well, let's dive in. First off, the pros. Reliability is a biggie. These SUVs are known for their long-lasting engines. With regular maintenance, they can go well past 200,000 miles plus off-road capability. The 4Runner is a beast on rough terrain, making it perfect for adventure lovers. And let's not forget resale value. These bad boys hold their value pretty well. But what about the cons? Fuel economy, or should I say, lack of it. These SUVs tend to be gas guzzlers. Then there's the tech. Older models might not have the fancy gadgets you see in newer cars, and the ride? It can be a bit bouncy, especially on city streets. So, should you buy a used Toyota 4Runner? If you're after reliability and off-road fun, it's a solid pick. But if you're into fuel efficiency and high-tech features, maybe keep looking. In the end, it all depends on what you value most. Happy car hunting.